Kana, yeah, I was out with my friends, so definitely some babies admitted and all that, some problems and all that. So I just posted up on my status, guys. So you guys can go and do a detailed research on that if it's fake or not, and then kindly do your contribution part because कुछ जितना भी हो या 10 रुपए 1 रुपए जो भी हो आपके पास, just kindly do some contribution to the other people. I just post some status and all that. So if you find it's genuine, if you find it's not fake and all, just go over it. I'm just telling you guys, be be on the safer side. Just just research on that, call them and ask if it's genuine or not. If it's genuine, just kindly donate some money so that a life is saved, someone gets benefited from this. Definitely, if at all you're going out to city, or maybe if you're going out to meet your friends or something, definitely you'll be spending minimum 500 rupees maybe, or at least 100 rupees. So definitely, so if at all we could save a little bit of money and help others, I think that's really good. So kindly help others. आपके पास अगर थोड़ा भी ज़्यादा पैसा हो तो I do my part every time. अकेला कुछ कर नहीं सकता, तो आप लोग भी थोड़ा बहुत contribute कर दो. Who is your inspiration in this reels you do? Inspiration ऐसा कोई है नहीं, but ऐसे कर देता हूँ. I just love acting, making videos and all that during my free hours because that's my passion. So just to keep my passion alive, I just do all this stuff. Hi guys, hi Sammy Smiles, hi Anshi Gupta, what's up? Sir, set up meetup for your fans. Meetup for my fan. First of all, I don't call them my fans, I call them my DNSians. They're all my family. It's because thanks to them that I get so much of love from you all. Or else, no way, yaar. No way. So I always thank them every live session, everywhere, because thanks to them that I get support, motivated, so much of love, so much of attention as well. I don't know if at all I ever get a chance, to personally thank you all. I would give you a warm hug and Who inspired you to do videos like innovative treatment suggestions? No one inspired me, it was just my idea. I just made some videos like that. It's going up pretty good, I feel. Thank you, Hafiza. Thank you, yaar. Are you lefty? Actually, I can write from both the hands. I can absolutely write from both the hands. So, इस हाथ में भी लिख सकता हूँ मैं, इस हाथ में भी लिख सकता हूँ. So no problem. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and white, blue, but mostly black. Specialist in answer कर तक गया मैं. So where in Mangalore you live and which hospital you work? Okay, I can't tell you the hospital name, but I can tell you where I live in Mangalore. I live in a place called Kulshekar. Hey, do you know Malayalam? Sukumanam, Chechi. Have you got roses? No, I haven't got any roses. But yeah, definitely there were few orders which was sent to Craft Arena. Recently, I had posted a video regarding Valentine gift products and all that from Craft Arena. So I have, they had messaged me, the Craft Arena people had messaged me that there are quite a lot of orders that were sent to them regarding Valentine's. I don't know, like some fans from here are sending me some gifts. Love you all. Next live session when I come, definitely I'll be telling your name, and if at all you guys are live here, I would definitely be going live with you all. To whoever who has sent me, I want to personally thank you all. That's the least I could do, and still keeping on coming. There are so many orders coming to Craft Arena. So if you haven't placed your orders, if you are planning to gift your mom, dad, anyone in your family or friends something special on this Valentine's, or if you really want to make them feel special, go to Craft Arena page. I follow them, they are in my following page, so just go and follow them from there and place your order now. If you don't have anyone, just send it to me because they have my address, so they won't provide you the address, but definitely they will be sending. It's your requirements. So if you have a quite budget, maybe say 200 rupees, 300 rupees budget, you can just go and place your order. Accordingly, they'll make a gift, customized gift, and they'll send it to you. And this gifts can be sent all over India. There's no cash on delivery. There's only Paytm, Google Pay, and Phone Pay. So kindly go and check that out. And if you are planning to send me some gifts, maybe roses or anything, whatever it is, you can go and tell them. They'll be sending me the gift. You can make the payment there, only if you guys are okay with it. I don't tell you guys to give me something. So you can go and place your orders in Craft Trainer. So guys, ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಪವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Hey, show your tattoo. It's my tattoo. Tattoo. तो आज it was an amazing day for me. बहुत कुछ किया आज. There are few friends who are close to me. I had an amazing time with them, a quality time with them. Went out and had some good time. One more thing I tell you guys that I don't know if I should tell you all this, but definitely don't spread any hatred for anyone, guys, because there is a lot of hatred going on there. Love everyone. कुछ नहीं रखा यार hatred से, क्या होगा? मतलब you are just telling bad things to a person who mean nothing to you, and that guy is strong enough, fine, fair enough, no problem at all. But if at all that guy is sensitive, like sometimes anything can go wrong. There are many cases of suicides coming and all that. तो थोड़ा केयरफुल रहो यार, बुराई क्यों करते हो? You have your life, so go and enjoy it. And जैसे मैं भी वीडियो करता हूँ, आप लोग भी करो यार. So am I audible now? People were telling I was not audible. Thank you, Shruti Shetty. That's so sweet of you, yaar. Hi, Veera. What's up? Okay. Can we cure myopia with home remedies? No, you can't cure myopia due to home remedies, but definitely you can prevent it from getting worse. You need to get some nice spectacles. Don't you get bored out of this? No, I don't get bored of this. I love doing all this. I love making videos. I love interacting with my people here. It gives me inner peace. It gives me the focus that I need. It gives me the motivation that I need. It gives me that drive, that push what I need actually. So yeah, I think some internet problem is there. सोलमेट कैसी चाहिए आपको? अभी तक कोई है नहीं मेरा सोलमेट, कोई गर्लफ्रेंड भी नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है. तो I think there's some internet issues यार, कुछ buffer होता है and all that. Am I audible, guys? So I was telling you guys that don't spread any negativity and just help others, love others, motivate others, because there's a lot of messages I've been getting regarding suicide attempts and all that. See guys, when you make some negative comments on some people, there are most of them who are very sensitive, who cannot handle a certain bit of a joke, maybe a certain bit of demotivating statements. So it's always better that किसी को बुरा मत करो, किसी का मतलब why यार, why, as in why, what's the point? Let him do what he wants. A person is meant to do, a person has been sent to this world to do a specific thing. Let him do what he wants. हम कौन होते हैं यार रोकने वालों? So just don't do all that. I've been getting a lot of DMs regarding counseling for psychiatric patients. And आज का दिन तो बहुत सही था यार, मतलब I had a lot of fun time. Went out, had some good food, spent a time after a very long time, and I'm extremely sleepy as well. Not extremely sleepy, but fine. How do you manage time for work, studies, making reels and singing? अरे यार, आप लोगों का शायद नज़र लग गया, आजकल टाइम नहीं मिल रहा. टुडे आई जस्ट पोस्टेड ओनली one video. I think I need to नज़र उतरना पड़ेगा, maybe. Hi Harnish, Rajal, hi Shweta, hi Harnish, hi Kavya, hi cute Shalini, hi Ananya, hi Medilove, hi Vinuta, hi Shaista. आपकी वैलेंटाइन कौन है? मेरा वैलेंटाइन तो माई कार इज़ माई वैलेंटाइन. कोई है नहीं. कैन यू स्पीक इन मराठी? आई कांट स्पीक इन मराठी बिकॉज आई डोंट नो द लैंग्वेज. सया अली. Hi Shalini. So that's it for today guys. A very small live, just wanted to come now because I have to prepare for my exams as well. Got few time left, so I absolutely loved coming live, and thank you so much for motivating me. Keep supporting me like this, and I promise you I'll give you the best I have, the contents, everything. So ऐसे ही keep loving others, spread love, eat healthy, and that's it. मिलेंगे next live next Saturday maybe, or maybe before that as well. I'll be definitely tried coming live early. And so can we cure PCOD? No, you cannot cure PCOD. Homeopathy people tell that they can cure. I don't know about that. You can go and try it out. But allopathy cannot cure PCOD. It can just be kept under control. So that's the one tip for the day. Take it, and I love you all, and take care guys. Bye bye.